Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating felt finger puppets. The required materials include felt sheets in a variety of colors, paper templates or stencils for puppet shapes and features, scissors, a ruler, fabric glue or hot glue, markers or pens. Optional decorations can include googly eyes, pipe cleaners, buttons, tiny pom-poms, ribbon scraps, and rhinestones. And for the optional embroidery step, you can use embroidery floss and a plastic needle for stitching instead of gluing. Let's begin by preparing our templates. Draw or print a simple puppet body shape about 2 inches wide and 3 inches tall. The shape should have a rounded top and an open bottom. Then create smaller add-on templates for features like ears, arms, hair, or accessories. Once your templates are drawn, cut them out and use the body template to create 2 identical felt shapes for each puppet. And use the other templates to cut out your add-on features. Decorate your puppets by arranging, gluing down, or drawing any details or features. Apply a thin line of fabric or hot glue along the sides and top edges of the back piece of your puppet. Do not glue the bottom edge. Then carefully press your top piece on top of it and smooth out any edges. You can also reinforce and refine the edges with stitching or with extra felt details for durability and dimension if desired or needed. Once again, allow the glue to dry completely according to the drying time on your glue label. Once completely dry, slide the puppet onto your finger and bring your character to life. These puppets are perfect for storytelling, pretend play, and creative expression. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.